Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to continue from the topic we treated last, Nkejiasusu, and today we are looking into Ngwaa, verb. Remember, I listed the types of Nkejiasusu, parts of speech we have in Igbo language. We've treated the noun, that's the Ngwaa, the pronoun, that's the Nochiaha, and today we are looking into the verb, that is Ngwaa. As we all know, the term for verb in Igbo language is called Ngwaa. And we can say that Igbo language is a verb-based language. This is because most of the words that are being created in Igbo language were coined or derived from verbs through the addition of suffixes, or sometimes you can also join two or more verbs together to get a word. That is why fluent language speakers can easily create a new word from an existing verb. Now, in this creation of words from a verb, at the end of the day, you might get a new verb, you might get a noun, a pronoun, an adverb, adjective, or any other parts of speech. And words that are being derived from verbs are called verbal directive. Now, while I was growing up, we were taught that a verb is an action word or a doing verb. Yes, because it depicts an action, it shows what happens in a sentence. That is why in Igbo language it is said that Ngwaa bụ ihe na-akọwa ihe na-eme n'ime ahịrịokwu. Ọ bụ ya ka na-eji aghọta ihe na-eme n'ahịrịokwu. And it is said that without this verb, ewezuga ngwaa n'ahịrịokwu, ahịrịokwu ahụ agaghị enwe nghọta. Otu ọ sọrọ gị sụọ ya, ọsọ gị chilie ya ụkwụ elu, ọ gị chida ya ụkwụ ala, ọ gaghị enwe nghọta. Ngwaa na-enye nghọta n'okwu. Ibe na ngwaa anyị na-ekwu okwu ya, ekewara ya ụzọ dị iche iche. Enwere isi ngwaa, enwere nyemaka ngwaa, enwere ọ buru ibu, enwere omeka ngwaa. Ha dị ọtụtụ. Mana tupu anyị leba anya na ụdịrị ngwaa ndị enwere, ka anyị leba anya na ụfọdụ ọmụmatụ ngwaa. Gara bụ ngwaa. Ga bụ ngwaa. Ri dịka riri or eri, something like that, bụ ngwaa. You will also say something like siri bụ ngwaa. These are action words. They shows what happens in a sentence.